Pumice is a frothy stone glass that is widely used in various industrial processes and a variety of consumer product formulations. Shaped in the explosive fire of a volcanic eruption, pumice has an impressive form factor that makes it impressively versatile. But here's the thing, that amazing versatility is primarily sold to industry in industrial-sized quantities. And then the PumiceStore came online, and that widely applicable versatility became directly available in small quantities for consumer direct uses. There are all kinds of uses for pumice's lightweight foam stone form factor, especially considering all the different grade sizes to which pumice is refined. But the consumer who wants to add an occasional exfoliating bite to her favorite face cream only needs a pouch full, not a pallet load. Same with the bonsai sculptors and pet chinchilla enthusiasts, woodworkers looking to rub up a gleaming shine, or those battling hard water deposits on glass and other hard bathroom surfaces. And while hothouse growers blending their own soilless potting media mixes, or those with backyard compost bins, need more than a pouch of pumice, they certainly don't need a truckload. A 50-pound production bag of versatile 1/8 grade pumice would be just right. The PumiceStore is the answer to sourcing small quantities of pumice in a variety of grade sizes, including grade products curated specifically to meet various in-use needs. Our online, direct order PumiceStore is backed by a dedicated fulfillment center and sources pumice from a renowned pumice deposit in southeast Idaho, USA, recognized as the purest commercial deposit of white pumice on the planet. So, what applications does pumice have for non-industrial consumer level users? Let's take a quick flyover look. You'll find the functional details and how to use instructions on the specific pumice product pages at the PumiceStore.com website. Let's start with horticultural uses. Pumice is a wonderful soil amendment. Problematic native soils are greatly improved when pumice is blended into the root zone. That includes gardens, new lawn prep, flower beds, and other landscaping features. On the soilless side of the horticultural coin, pumice fills the functional, non-organic component role when blending potting soils or raised bed or roof garden soils. Those growing succulents and cacti, or shaping living bonsai art, love ready draining, moisture hugging pumice grow media. For abrasive and exfoliating needs, fine pumice powders are functionally excellent. What's better for a gentle scrub than a fine paste of microfoam glass? Need a grit to add dimension and texture to a viscous primer, floor paint, or gesso? Unlike blocky sands, lightweight foam stone pumice particles stay in suspension and bind tightly into the cured matrix of the coating. Chinchillas, degus, even poultry love to dust bathe in pumice. Pumice controls moisture and ammonia-charged urine odors in confined animal spaces like stalls and coops. Even the composting process is improved with the addition of pumice. So many direct uses for an incredibly versatile volcanic stone. Pumice is lightweight, friable, grade variety rich, and sustainable. And now available for small quantity direct order from the PumiceStore.com.